Hi everyone, in this video, we are injecting liquid manure. We put 4,000 gallons per acre, which is enough nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium to grow a crop of corn and a crop of soybeans the following year before we reapply again. This tank could hold 6,750 gallons of liquid manure. And if you guys wondering where we get it from our hog barn, and those are pig poop. It takes 6 minutes to load the tank, and it takes 15 minutes to inject them on the ground.
Ka-harvest lang yung soybeans kahapon dito at ngayon naman nag-i-spread ng manure yung asawa ko. So next year magtatanim kami ng corn dito. So ganyan siya guys. Parang inaararo siya tapos meron na siyang manure. So tae siya ng baboy guys.
My husband is coming and we are going to load the tank again.